Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WebP files in Photoshop. WebP is a fantastic, modern image format developed by Google, known for its excellent compression and quality. It helps websites load faster by reducing image file sizes, often by 25 to 35% compared to JPEG or PNGs. For a long time, working with WebP in Photoshop was a bit of a challenge, requiring extra steps or conversions. Good news for many of you. Modern versions of Photoshop, starting from version 23.2, now include native support for WebP files. This means you can open, edit, and save your WebP images directly within Photoshop, just like you would with JPEG or PNGs. No more jumping through hoops or using external converters. Just ensure your Photoshop is updated to the latest version through your Creative Cloud application. If you're using an older version of Photoshop, don't worry, you can still work with WebP files. You'll need to install the WebP Shop plugin, which is a free, open-source solution provided by Google. Simply download the plugin from its official GitHub page. After downloading, move the plugin file into your Photoshop's plugins directory, then restart Photoshop to activate the new capabilities. Once WebP support is enabled, opening a file is straightforward. Just go to File, then Open, and select your WebP image. To save your work as a WebP, navigate to File, then Save a Copy, and choose WebP from the format options. You'll then see settings to adjust the compression quality, typically from 0 to 100, allowing you to balance file size and visual fidelity. You can also choose between lossless or lossy compression.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.